So I've cleaned the work surfaces, my hands are nice and sparkly clean. We're now ready to start our activity. And today we're going to do chocolate banana pops. I have a banana, some lolly sticks, some decorations. You can use whatever you've got in your cupboard. I've got sugar strands and some chopped nuts and some chocolate. And I'm using milk chocolate today, but you could use dark or white chocolate. So our first job is to start to melt the chocolate. I'm going to do this using a hairdryer on the hottest temperature but the slowest speed because chocolate can splatter a little bit. I'm going to keep the hairdryer directly over the top of the chocolate and just let the heat from the hairdryer start to melt. So I've melted the chocolate until there's just a few remaining lumps in, and now I'm just going to stir the last of those unmelted bits of chocolate into the bigger part which is fully melted. And the heat from the rest of the chocolate will help them melt. You see, I've still got a couple of lumps there. I keep stirring. It takes a minute or two, and we should have a lovely glossy chocolate when we're finished. Right, so that's ready to use. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to prepare the banana. So I'm going to peel the banana. And I'm going to cut it in half, and then using a stick, the lolly stick, put that in there, and the same, that one there. And I'm going to coat these now in the chocolate, making sure the whole banana is nicely coated. Because bananas can go a little bit brown, can't they, if you leave them out in the air and they're peeled. So we need to make sure the chocolate covers all of it. Quite relaxing to do this. And then I'm going to tap off the excess chocolate. You see it's dripping off? Because there'll just be too much on there, which will make it harder to add sprinkles to. There we are. So, I'll put that one on there. I'm going to use the sprinkles first. And I'm going to hold it above this greaseproof paper here and just decorate. Try not to overdo the sprinkles because you'll be able to pop these back in to the bowl and use them again. There we are. And like I said, you could use anything that you like topping wise. You could use chocolate strands, coconut. There we are. So that's the first one done. I'm going to pop that one on there. I'm going to tip those back in there because they're still very clean. And then I'm going to do this one with the nuts. So again, I'm going to coat this in the chocolate. Oh, the smell of melted chocolate is just delicious. These also work beautifully if you put them in the freezer after you've finished them, and they go beautifully hard and cold. And when you bite through, it's like having a banana ice cream almost in texture. So you can either just pop them in the fridge when you're finished, or you can freeze them. And they're absolutely delicious either way. So, I've got my chocolate nuts. And the good thing is, you're eating your bananas, you're getting some of your fibre a day, along with some lovely chocolate. There we are. So pop them both on there. And there you have it. Pure chocolate. So I'm going to tidy up now. Just pop all those to one side. And of course, you've got chocolate left over and we don't want to waste that because we can reheat that again for another activity. So I'm going to use a little spatula because that gets everything off. And I'm just going to pop this chocolate into a plastic container, Tupperware container, and I'll reuse that for another day. Pop the lid on and it can just keep it in the cupboard at an ambient temperature. Okay, there we go. So lid on, and we'll save that for another day.